track tension is important to the overall performance of the snowmobile. A new track will stretch after break-in and will require adjustment. From then on, the track should be inspected before every ride to ensure the sled is reaching its full potential. Failure to do so may lead to ratcheting, hesitation, and excessive wear to the rear suspension and track. To inspect and adjust the track tension and alignment on your Polaris snowmobile, follow these steps. Before beginning, ensure the track has been warmed up. Safely elevate the vehicle. Refer to your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Rotate the track by hand to check for damage. Carefully examine the track along the entire length of each rod. Bend the track to ensure there is no breakage. If inspection reveals any concerns, see your authorized Polaris Service Center. Next, measure 16 inches ahead of the rear idler shaft on the track. Apply 10 pounds of weight on the track and measure the slack between the track and the rails. Reference your owner's manual for accurate specifications. If the track requires adjustment, start by loosening the rear idler shaft bolt, but do not remove. Then, loosen the adjuster lock nuts on both sides of the track. Tighten or loosen the track adjusting screws on both sides of the track to provide equal adjustments of the track tension. After adjusting, tighten the lock nuts until fully seated. Then, torque the idler shaft fastener to specification. Refer to your owner's manual for specifications. Next, start the engine and apply a small amount of throttle until the track turns slowly at least 5 complete revolutions. Stop the engine and allow the track to come to a complete stop without applying the brakes. Inspect the track alignment through the track windows in the rear to ensure the rails are evenly spaced on each side. If the track is offset to either side, loosen the adjustment nuts and tighten the affected side as needed to gain alignment. Start the engine again and apply a small amount of throttle until the track turns slowly for at least 5 revolutions. Stop the engine and allow the track to come to a complete stop without applying the brakes. Re-inspect the track alignment and repeat this procedure as needed. Safely lower the vehicle to the ground after confirming proper track tension and alignment. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.